Hey friends, when we plug any USB cable, we always do mistake plugging in wrong way. And it also probability of broken USB cable. So what is the secret to put USB cable in right way at first attempt? So whenever you grab USB cable, you will find there is a symbol either one of the side. The symbol will point up if you are plugging in horizontally, and if you are plugging vertically, the symbol will face you. Means while plugging USB cable, the USB symbol have toward your face. And this is the secret you will use to put USB cable in right way at first attempt.